Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aladif Ganda, majoring in telecommunication engineering at Padang State Polytechnic. In this video, I will explain little about two introduction. Okay, let's get straight to the topic. What is introduction? Introduction is an activity of introducing yourself to others by sharing basic information such as your name, origin, occupation or school, hobbies, and purpose of introduction. There are three purposes why we should do an introduction. The first is identity information. The main function of a self-introduction or introduction is to provide information related to our identity. For example, name, date of birth, hometown, hobbies. So it contains basic information about ourselves. The second is open the forum. Even if you already know the people who will be listening to you, you still need to briefly introduce yourself to the people in front of you. For example, when we starting a presentation in front the class and starting meeting at the office. And the third, open the conversation. You need to explain yourself to the person you're talking to before the conversation progresses further. An introduction will keep the conversation warm and engaging, especially when the person you are talking to is someone new. Of course, you will introduce yourself first. The introduction is divided into two parts: introduction oneself and introduction others. Introduction oneself, this means that we ourselves will introduce ourselves to other people or the person we are talking to. Example, introduction yourself to a friend, and introduction yourself in front of the class. And then next, introduction other. Introduction other mean you introduction someone to another person. This means your friend doesn't introduce himself directly. Example, introduction friend to parents. For example, as seen on the screen, let's read it together. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agus Septiawan, usually called Agus. I was born in Bengkulu on March. I am currently attending a vocational high school, majoring in electrical engineering. My hobby is playing soccer, and I aspire to be a professional soccer player. And after graduation from this vocational high school, I plan to my studies to continue learning more. That concludes my introduction. Thank you. Okay, so the example above is a very basic self-introduction, which include identity information such as name, date of birth, and hobbies. Okay, that's all for my brief explanation. I hope you understand. Thank you.